Hi everyone, I want to welcome you especially to this week's weekly analysis. Okay, I trust that you've been studying, you've back tested, you've studied, and you are ready for the new week. Okay, so many things will be happening this week. Of course, I've told you how you must only go in with 8 setups. You must have your full confirmation before you take any entry. But this is very important for you so that you can have more winning entries this week than losing entries. Okay, so I just want to take you through what I am seeing in the market, my market perception, my how I'm visualizing the movement in the market for the coming week, and I trust that this will guide you, this will help you, and also prepare you to be able to win this week and have a profitable week. All right, let's go straight to the chart so I can show you a few. Okay, so this is DXY, dollar index, and here is my market perception. This is what I'm seeing in the market. I've been able to draw out all my liquidity zones, okay, and I'm looking from the weekly time frame. You can see, let's just do a quick top down, it's bearish, okay, and this is the daily time frame. You can see it's also bearish. Okay, when you go to the 4-hour time frame, you agree with me also that it's still bearish, and then you go to the entry time frame, which is the 15 minutes, and all I'll just confirm here is, first of all, I'm going to make sure that my confirmation is on full gear, okay, until I see the bearish move fully confirmed. I am not going to be taking any entry, because we are only going with A setups. Take note of that, only A setups. Okay, so I'm going to be looking forward to DXY taking out that low. Until that happens, I'm just going to pay close attention. Okay, so watch out for this low. Once DXY takes out that low, it gives me a complete market structure shift. Then I know that the bearish move for DXY is confirmed. And so for my GU, which is the pair that I trade with the free community, I'm going to be also waiting for it to take out this high, to give me a complete market structure shift to the bull side, giving me the bullish move, and then I will be buying, GU, okay, up to at least maybe the next full liquidity grab. Or let's look. Okay, that's the liquidity I can see. Okay, this is the 1 week time frame. You can see that GU from the 1 week time frame looks bullish. Okay, it's actually bullish. Then even though it might retrace bearish, now look at the 24-hour time frame, you see that it is also bullish. Then you look at the 4-hour, you see it's also bullish. So what does that mean? That simply means that I'm just going to be looking for bullish entries, so I do not trade against the trend. Remember, the trend is your friend. Okay, so quickly I have brought the silver commodity, but let me talk to you about the GJ first. So this is GJ. I've drawn the liquidity line already for GJ. So from the 4-hour time frame, you see the trend liquidity line that I've drawn already. Okay, so let's go straight to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so this is my entry time frame, the 2 hours time frame. So from the 4-hour time frame, you will see the liquidity line has been drawn. I'm going to be paying close attention to see a complete market structure shift for GJ. Haven't seen that, then I'm going to be going bullish on GJ on this liquidity line upside. Okay, watch out for that update. I have okay, let me talk to you on the crypto side first. Okay, so this is people USDT. Okay, so I am going to be looking forward to what directional bias this crypto has. Looking from the 1 week or the weekly time frame, you see that it is bearish. Okay, when you look at the daily time frame, you see that it is bearish. Then when you go to the 4-hour time frame, you see it's retracing bullish, but it's actually bearish. Okay, so what does that simply mean? That means that for anything I'm going to be doing, if I'm going to be with the trend, then I should be looking for bearish entries, of which I'm going to just wait for people USD to give me complete market structure shift to the bear side. Now this is silver. I've introduced silver to the free community as one of the commodities which I promised you I was going to introduce, just as we have gold for the VIP. So let's quickly look at the directional bias for silver. Starting from the weekly time frame, you will see that it is actually bullish from the weekly time frame, even though it retraced much bearish. Okay, so we go up to the daily time frame. You can see it retraced bearish, but it's actually bullish. Okay, so we go to the daily time frame, is a little bit ranging. Okay, took out this low, took out the other low, and couldn't take out the final low, so let's just say it's still bullish. So then we go to the 4-hour. Okay, it took out this low, it took out this low, took out this low, but it didn't take out the least low at the underside. So we can just say it's ranging, but it's still bullish. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame looks bullish clearly, and so because of that, I'll prefer to find bullish moves on silver. So all I'll just do is to get my full confirmation. Once I have my complete market structure shift for my entry time frame, I will be looking for the entry, and I'll be giving updates to all of you on the free channel. Okay, so this is for everyone on the free channel once I have it. But guess what, I'm not going to be buying when price is on this liquidity side. I'll wait for that liquidity side to be taken out first before I think of buying, except I'm going to be buying from here to that liquidity side, of which my confirmation is not there. So let's go straight to the synthetic. So this is volatility 25. So if you look volatility 25 from the higher time frame, let's do a top down quickly, you will see that it is actually, bullish. Okay, it's actually bullish from the 24-hour time frame. You go to the 8 hours time frame, you see that it is actually bullish. Okay, so we'll go straight up to the 4-hour time frame, and you will see that it is also bullish. Then we go straight to our entry time frame, which is 15 minutes, to see what directional bias and what entry we're going to be taking. Now if you see, I've mapped out the upside liquidity, of which I will not be buying volatility 25 until that liquidity is fully taken out or mitigated. So I'm going to be waiting to see that play out before that. Otherwise I'm going to be shorting sell if I find an opportunity, because there's a little range on volatility 25 currently. Otherwise, if that liquidity is taken out, I'll be going long on the bullish move once I see my confirmation. Wait for that update. And straight up as we round up, this is jump 25. This is jump 25. So let's look out for the top down. Okay, looking from the 24-hour time frame, you see that it is bullish. You look at the 8-hour time frame, you see it's retracing bearish, but it's actually bullish. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, you will see that it is retracing bearish, okay, but it's still bullish. Okay, or it's retracing bearish. Okay, so I'll prefer to look for the bullish moves. Okay, if I will go bearish, then I'll go short because it's only retracing bearish. Okay, so it's actually ranging. So on this liquidity side, I may go bearish once I see a complete market structure shift on the bear side. Otherwise, if I find a complete market structure shift on the bull side, then I will be going bullish. But all of those liquidities which I've drawn out, the zones, I'll wait to see what price will do on those zones before I know exactly what to do. So the rest of the pairs, EU, gold, and all of them is for the VIP community. How do you get on board? Just come to our website, kfctrading.com, click on enroll, and to bring you all our plans. Now on this website you can learn everything even without me guiding you. All you need to do is get subscribed and you gain access to all of our courses. The VIP courses from 1 to 7 will equip you. Now we have a promo running for Easter. It started today and will be ending on Easter day, 12 a.m. GMT +1. Okay, so that means all of these packages has 30% discount on all of them, and that makes it easier for you to easily subscribe. Now you can take advantage of that immediately. And this is the VIP mentorship courses. These VIP mentorship courses is equipped, it has everything you need from the zero level of not even knowing anything about trading to pro level. Now you say you don't have money, it's simple. Training videos are free, and you can come to this more, click on the free channel, and you can join either our Telegram free channel or our WhatsApp free channel, of which our Telegram channel is not that active because our WhatsApp is not yet full. So make sure you do that. Thank you for taking out time to go through all of the weekly analysis with me and to see all that I am seeing in the market with me. Remember, we are in a peculiar season, peculiar period. Make sure you have full confirmation before you make any entries. Make sure you do not just dive in. Okay, make sure you have your A setups, have all your key indicator factors before you decide to go into that trade. Okay, now remember to trade with me live, on Monday 1 p.m. GMT +1. Even though I've shown you the directional bias of the market so far, there are still more things I may need to show you during the live video. Save the time, save the date, Monday, like I said, 1 p.m. GMT +1. Get ready to join me live, and I will trade live with you and show you a lot of things, a lot to gain during that moment. Tell everyone, invite everyone, let them know that I will be live 1 p.m. GMT +1. On that day, of course, it's going to be holiday, but we're going to prepare strictly, and by Tuesday we'll kick off and we're going to win. I know this week is our week. I'm rooting for all of you to win. Get ready to win this week.